Hey,
I'll put it.
we're working.
Someone's dirt in my hole? What are you doing?
He's counterproductive.
Hey. What are you doing?
I'll put a
Gabriel! No,
video.
don't hit Grandpa. No, no.
What did I do with Grandpa?
You're being a stinker.
What did I do?
Don't hit the wall. You don't throw at people.
Say, since Grandpa's the oldest, we make him do the most work.
Well, buddy, nothing like helping, huh?